Okay yun, magandang umaga. So ito yung Sniper 155. Yan, bagong linis siya ngayon. Kasi syempre isasauli natin kala Ma'am Lori Rents Dave Motor Rent na malinis. Kasi nung kinuha ko ito, kinarwash nila. Yan, kaya ibabalik din natin ng malinis. So yun, maraming salamat kay Rents Dave Motor Rent at na pahiram tayo ng Sniper. So shoutout kala ma'am at binigyan nila ako ng ayun tinatawag doon yung Motovloggers effect na binigyan nila ako as thankful daw doon sa ginawa nating last video nung hiniram ko yung nanghiram kami ni Deki Boy na gagamitin doon sa rides namin sa Route 955. So binigyan nila tayo ng isang for free na for 24 hours kahit anong motor doon sa kanilang nasa garahe nila magsabi lang at anytime for free yung isang 24 hours. So pili lang tayo kung ano available nilang motor doon sa araw na yon. Yon, shout out yan Rents Dave Motor Rent. Ma'am, nalagyan ko na rin ng sticker ng Mindanao Motovloggers Alliance para ano naman yan. So yun, shout out din sa mga kasama nating Mindanao Motovloggers Alliance at anniversary natin kahapon. Napakasaya, grabe, sumakit yung nangawit yung pangako, katatawa. So ang kukulit, masaya yung naging outcome, very successful. So shout out din kay Sir Jeyus Motovlog. Siya po yung nanalo ng grand prize doon sa anniversary. Nanalo po siya ng spider helmet, sponsored by Ma'am Whitestone Moto din. Shout out. Pasyalan nyo lang po yung page, libre naman po mag follow at saka mag likes. Madami pang paayuda si Ma'am Whitestone. Yan. Shout out Ma'am Whitestone.
Go, yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move